Hello dear fans. What is antimatter? The universe to this day hides a huge variety of mysteries that are not yet amenable to an exhaustive understanding of humanity. One of these mysterious phenomena can be called antimatter or antimatter. Antimatter is usually called a special type of matter, which consists of the so-called antiparticles. The structure of such antimatter is determined by forces similar to those characteristic of ordinary matter. From this it follows that the structures of matter and antimatter are completely identical. Many adherents of various fantastic theories believe that the existence of antimatter is a factor that makes it possible to assert the existence of the anti-universe. However, such judgments have no basis, because most of the particles known to scientists also have their opposites. The exception is some neutral particles, the characteristics of which are identical to the parameters of the corresponding antiparticles. Among all the substances known to date, antimatter has the highest energy density. This energy is released when matter interacts with antimatter. This reaction is called annihilation. Antimatter cannot exist under normal conditions, since its contact with ordinary matter entails its complete destruction, as a result of which antimatter takes the form of so-called gamma rays. Therefore, the procedure for obtaining antimatter is extremely difficult despite the fact that matter and antimatter have absolutely no structural differences that could be found by modern science. Antimatter has no color in the usual sense for humans, since electromagnetic radiation, the frequency of which is called color. In the case of both with particles as well as with antiparticles, it is completely neutral. To detect antimatter, scientists use special detectors, in the field of view of which not only electromagnetic radiation falls. Thanks for watching.